Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 24th and we are looking at the chart of XOM, 45 minutes time frame here. So we're looking for more downside in the XOM. We can see right side down. There is a blue box here, which is basically we're expecting the rally to fail in this area, 140 to 142.8 for another leg down. So that will be the ABC 100% extension level. Now, what about if we actually rally a little bit higher? Now, if we do get a little bit higher, still for now remains bearish against 154.92, at least talking about shorter cycle. Still remains bearish against 154.92, but it could be doing a larger degree correction if we just go straight up to 142 and above from where we are. Okay, so if it does something like that, then probably we are already ending 3 in blue here, and then now doing a 4 in blue. If we zoom out on the daily time frame, we got this structure. XOM made all-time high here, and then now doing this 3 swings down. If you just simply measure the extension here, we can see that we have a potential target lower to 129, which is the 100% extension. Oh, by the way, because this is still bullish, because we did make a new all-time high after all, then that basically means this pullback here is going to find support and strong support area here between 129 and 107. I know it's a big area because we are talking about daily time frame. So there is no one single level where you expect this to stop to the tick and then start to turn higher. So it's always an area. This is the area of a big strong support here. It could stop at 129.2, it could stop 128, could stop 117. So the exact level you will never know, but this is the area of a big support here. So you can see this decline looks like an impulse, 5 waves, and then this third leg here so far is only a 3 wave so far. So that means regardless, however you want to count it. So let me copy this wave 2 on the daily time frame, which is this one, right? So this is your 1. So you can think of this as a ABC where we're in the C. So that 3 could still be a little bit lower, which is what we are calling right now, a little bit lower, or it could be finished here and we could be doing a bigger 535 ABC like this, for example, and still, because we are not yet reaching the 100% and we are still looking like a 3 waves, still has a chance to do one more leg down and ideally reaches 129. Okay, now the only time where you start thinking about, oh, maybe we don't have another leg down anymore, is only if we can break and close above this bearish trend line here. And now if we can continue to rally and close above here, price close above here, maybe on the weekly basis, then XOM next leg down can get denied or can get negated. We call that truncation. But until then, we can continue to expect more downside in the XOM in the shorter cycle. Okay, and shorter cycle rally therefore should be expected to continue to fail in 3711 for more downside. Okay, so that's the update, and as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. You can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.